So for question A, it says that in which bank would you suggest Madam Rohaya invest her RM10,000 for 3 years? Give your reasons and show your working. The question, we can use the formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I to the power of N. For bank A, we can use the face value which is RM10,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 4 to the power of 12. It will get 1.178068128 times 10,000 ringgit. So we can get RM 11,780 ringgit and 68 cent for bank A. What for bank B? We must use the same face value which is RM 10,000 ringgit in bracket 1 plus 0.052 over 12 and to the power of 32. 1.148397035 times 10,000 ringgit. So the final answer and the final investment will get RM 11,684 ringgit and 33 cents. So as we can see, Bank A promotes a higher value which is RM 780,000 ringgit and 68 cents. So we must choose Bank A. It is because it returned more profits than Bank B. So for question B, it says if Madam Rohaya invests 13,000 ringgit in Bank A for 5 years and 6 months, what is the amount of interest obtained when the investment period ends? And we substitute the value, which is the face value is RM 13,000 ringgit in bracket 1 plus 0.055 over 4 to the power of 22, which we will get the final value of the investment, which is RM 17,555 ringgit and 87 cents. So the question wants what is the final interest of the interest formula is I is equal to S minus P, which is the final value minus the face value, which we will get the final answer of the interest is RM 4,555 ringgit and 87 cents.
So I will continue with the next question. 1C. Madam Rohaya wants to have 28,000 ringgit in 4.5 years. She is interested in investing in Bank B. How much should she start with? So if we want to solve this problem, we can use this formula. S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N. The S will be substituted with 28,000 equal P will remain as P because we want to find P. Bracket 1 plus bracket 0.052 over 12, which is I bracket power by 54 bracket. We need to solve the bracket first. If we done solve the bracket, we will get 1.263005831. The number of bracket we will move to the left side, so that 28,000 divided by 1.263005831. So the final answer we will get 22,169 ringgit 34 cents. So next question 1D. Madam Rohaya wishes to invest 28,000 ringgit in Bank A. Her target is to accumulate 60,500 ringgit by the end of the maturity period. How long should she wait to reach that amount? So solve the bracket first, and then we need to move 28,000 ringgit to the left side, so that 60,000 ringgit 500 divide by 28,000, so we get 30,000 ringgit with an interest rate of 4.5% compounded monthly. The customer has to pay back the loan through monthly payment for 5 years. So the question is, find the monthly payment. The formula that we will use is A equals to R bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I bracket power by n over I plus the bracket. So A will be substituted with 30,000 ringgit equals to R remains to R because we will need to find the R. Bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus bracket 0.045 divide by 12 bracket power by negative 60 over bracket 0.045 divide by 12 bracket and close the bracket. So we need to solve the bracket number first, and we will get 53.63938035, and then we will move the bracket number to the left, and 30,000 ringgit will be divided by the bracket number, and the final answer we will get 559 ringgit 29 cent. Question 1. Immediately after paying the 48 payment, the customer decided to settle the balance of the loan. Find the amount to be paid. The keyword that were given is customer have paid the 48 payment and how much the balance of the loan have to pay. So the formula that we will use is S equal to R bracket 1 plus I bracket over by n minus by 1 over by I close the bracket. Next we will substitute the S, remain the S equals to R, which is substitute with the number 559 ringgit 29 cent. Bracket 1 plus bracket 0.045 divide by 12 bracket and power by 12 minus 1 over by bracket 0.045 over 12 bracket and close the bracket. So how do we get the n? So we need to use the formula
n, which is n equals to m multiply the t. It's 10 for 12 multiply the 5 and we will get answer 60. And we will the 60 minus by 48, so the answer we will get 12. But we need to solve the number in the bracket first and we will get 12.25062001. And then we need to multiply the bracket number with 559 ringgit 29 cent, and the final answer will be 6,851 ringgit 65 cents.
We are moving on with the question 2, question 2A. Danish took a personal loan of 15,000 ringgit and paid equal monthly payment for 6 years at an interest rate of 4.4 compounded monthly. A. Find the monthly payment and the total interest charge. So, after we collected the information, we will get 15,000 ringgit equals R, open big bracket, 1 minus open small bracket, 1 plus open another small bracket, 0.044 over 12 close small bracket in the power of negative 72 over open small bracket, 0.044 over 12 close small bracket and then close big bracket. Okay, so at this point we are missing the R, so we need to find the R only. So in this situation we need to solve everything in the bracket. Okay, but we need to solve the upper deck first and the lower deck. After we got the answer, it should be Rm 15,000 ringgit equals to R, open bracket, 63.17879393 small bracket. That will be, we need to move the answer from the right side to the left side so we can divide it together. And after we solve the equation, we will get Rm 237 ringgit and 42 cents for R. R stands for its monthly payment, so Danish need to pay Rm 237 ringgit 42 cents. But here's the catch, we are not done yet. Okay, so at this point we already solved its monthly payment, but now we are going to find his interest earned from the loan that he took. So we're going to use interest earned formula, which is I equals Rn minus A. If we put in the information, it's going to be open bracket 237 ringgit 42 cents multiplied by 72 close bracket minus 15,000 ringgit, and then we will get Rm 2,094 ringgit and 24 cents. That's the final answer for this question. So we're moving on with the question 2, question 2b. If Danish failed to pay the first 4 monthly payments, find the amount that he had to pay on the 5th payment to settle the outstanding arrears. So in this situation, he failed to pay for the first 4 months, and we need to know how much that he need to pay on the 5th month because of the failed payments. For this question, we are going to use future value formula, which is S equals to R, open big bracket, open small bracket, 1 plus I, close small bracket, in the power of n minus 1 over I, close big bracket. To get Rm 237 ringgit and 42 cents, open big bracket, open small bracket, 1 plus open another small bracket, 0.044 over 12 close small bracket in the power of 5, close small bracket again, minus 1 over open bracket, 0.044 over 12 close bracket, and then close big bracket. We will get Rm 237 ringgit and 42 cents, open big bracket, open another small bracket, 1 plus open another small bracket, 0.044 over 12 close bracket in the power of 5 close another bracket, minus 1 over, open another bracket 0.044 over 12.
Okay, so
Close
at
another
here,
bracket, then
we're going to
close
solve
leave everything in a bracket. The same method that we use for the question 2A. RM 237 ringgit and 42 cents. Open bracket 5.03680138. Close bracket, and then we will multiply them together. We will get RM 1,259 ringgit and 94 cents. That's all for question 2B. Thank you.